Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Super Mario block shelf. It's also storage space as well underneath. So you just lift up the flaps and it shows storage space, and you can place things on top as well and use it as a normal shelf. So to start off with, you're going to need some boxes. I've just got these wooden square boxes. They don't have to be like really expensive ones. I just got these from a local Poundland. And if they've got a flat front, perfect, you can get on with the painting. If they've got like a ridge like this that dips in, you want to make this front flat. So what I'm doing is just taking a thick piece of card and I'm just sticking that on the front, because you want a flat place thingy to work with. Now you can do this with any size box. If you want like a larger shelf, you can use more boxes. I'm only using 3 in this one. And you can use like small boxes as well if you want to make a tiny little shelf. So I'm now going to drill some holes in the back, and this is to hang it up. So I'm going to mark where I want the holes drilled. They're going to be like 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the sides. Just going to do 2. And I'll just explain how I'm going to hang them up now, because I lost the footage of me actually hanging this up. So once the holes are drilled, and it's all painted afterwards, I'm going to take the box, hold it up against the wall where I want it, and then I'm going to mark the wall through these holes, so I know exactly where the nails are going to go. Then I'm going to take the box down, nail where I've marked it, and then the box then just pops onto the nails, and it basically stays there. It looks like a floating shelf. So you're going to want kind of long nails for this. And you want to ensure that the nails can actually go through these holes as well. So I'm not using an electric drill for this. You can do it, it'll be a lot quicker. I'm just using one of those little hand drills where you just put pressure onto it and then twist. So once you've done that, you want to paint it. So you're just going to paint the whole thing. Like I said, I'm doing 3 boxes, so I'm going to do 2 brown and 1 yellow. If you've got kind of dark boxes, you might want to paint them all white first, let that dry, and then paint over with the colours, just so the colours pop a bit more and it's not too dark. Or if you want to be like me, work out which boxes you want next to each other first, and then just paint the sides that you can see rather than painting it all. Once they're dried, you're now going to go and do the detail. So with the brown boxes, I'm just going to use some black paint and paint some lines to create like the box effect. I did do this freehand, so it's wonky. I really should have measured it out first, but I was being lazy. So just going to take a few lines, and then that's done. With the question mark box, I cut out a template for that, because I knew I wouldn't be able to get it freehand actually on the box. And I'm just going to use white paint for this and cover that. You might need a couple of layers of white paint for this, otherwise the yellow might come through, depending on how good quality your paint is. And that's all the painting and everything done. All you have to do is hang it up like I told you to. I can't believe I lost that footage. It's really annoyed me. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Then you just pop them on the wall. Remember, just pop them up one at a time. So you put one up, as you can see in there, got the 2 nails, and that's it. Then you put the next one next to it and you're done. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this one. Let me know if you make one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!